morning, Mindshifters. I am getting ready for work, but this week I'm going to do some, I guess some people call them detox drinks, but I'm going to call them like, fruit-infused drinks and vegetable-infused drinks. I'm sorry about that. It's always like a dog howling. I hope he or she's okay. Maybe they just missed their owner or something. But anyway, sorry about that. So essentially, I am going to have the base this week is just going to be cucumbers, and each day I may add something different for different reasons, not just aesthetics, even though it is pretty, but essentially, if you've been following me on either my Just Paula channel, which is more like a dating channel, or this Mindshift to Keto and Wellness, you'll know that right now life is a little stressful. And that's life in general, guys. And that's what we have to realize. It's like once we do the keto or whatever nutrition plan we decide on, it's all about commitment and discipline. This is our lifestyle. So we have to adapt to whatever is going on. So when I encounter stress, what I found out as I became an adult and going through my depression, is that it manifests on my face and it manifests right here in my belly area. So that's just the way it is. And I think they call it cortisol. Cortisol is like the stress hormone, and it sort of does gravitate in your belly area. And just as we get older. So what I do, and when I'm thinking about different things to eat and things to drink, is all to either balance my system, improve my immune system, or is to try to, like, as much as I can, counter those things. So cucumbers, very affordable. These are organic. These are like mini cucumbers. I should have got the regular ones. But they're organic, which actually are actually pretty affordable. I know some people are concerned about the cost of keto, and we'll go through that too. Mainly, I'll focus on your budget overall. But as you can see, I'm cutting up cucumbers, and cucumbers are really good. Also, because I get paid, I think this week or next week. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy any avocados. It depends. If I see any for sale, I may get some. But cucumbers are a really good source of potassium and vitamin K. They're also a good source of vitamin B5, which is really good, and silica to help with your hydration, your skin, as well as to help, prevent acne. So essentially, I'm just cutting up some cucumbers, and I'm going to put it in this container, and I'm going to fill it with water. Now, what you can do is you can add, which you're going to see me each day, I'll add something different. You can actually, make some ice. So if you have an ice maker, you can put that in, So that's kind of what you're going to see me. And this is what I'm going to drink throughout the day. I may fill it up once. So as you know, I do intermittent fasting. So during the day, I don't eat. I eat when I get home. I do 1 meal a day. I've been doing 2 meals a day, like I'm doing a protein shake, because I've been doing this 80-day obsession. But there's so many benefits to cucumbers. One is nice and refreshing. That's why you see this in a lot of like spas. You see people lay it over their eyes, their skin, because it's very hydrating. It is supposed to make you, and I think I've had this experience when I mix it up with some other things, it makes you go longer without having to eat. But essentially, this is cucumber water. Like I said, I'm not sure about the avocado, so it's a lot of potassium, a lot of vitamin K. It has so many other benefits, guys. It's supposed to help increase brain health, and I forget the ingredient it has. I'll do some research and leave it in the description. But Mindshifters, life is going to happen. My pastor always says, like, if you had like a circle and you put in the middle of the circle storm, you're either in a storm, coming out of a storm, or going into a storm. And it's not meant to make you feel sad or anything. It's just getting you prepared to be adaptable and flexible to life. So when you have those moments of joy, laughter, peace, or what have you, you take it and figure out what your daily routine. That's what my son and I right now, we're trying to get our daily routine together about our quiet time with ourselves. We have time with each other like every day that we value, our time with God, and just time to really be balanced, to let loose and have fun, but there has to be a balance. So anyways, I hope this helps you. Each morning you'll see my wonderful face, but this right now, the base will be cucumbers, and I'm just doing a simple cucumber and water. And I'll put this in the refrigerator until I'm ready for work, and then I may keep it in the refrigerator for an hour or two. So you kind of want to do at least an hour. If you can do overnight, that's good to kind of really kind of let the cucumbers infuse in the water. Okay, Mindshifters, this is day one. Shifters, we are at another morning. I am going to Mindshifters, this is day 2. I'm trying to do a whole week. I'm actually going to do 1 whole lemon and 1 mini cucumber. How are you? Good morning. Yesterday, a lot of people were asking me, like, what are you doing? And one, Detox or fruit-infused waters are really good when you're trying to, one, stay hydrated. It's a good motivator for drinking water, but there's so many other benefits as well. And I was talking to one young lady about just stress manifesting itself on in my belly, normally on my face and in my belly. And I think I'm really convinced because of my nutrition, my face is feeling pretty good. But my belly area, I can tell for sure that it's just, she's like, well, what are you stressed about? And I'm like, well, I've definitely leaned on my faith a lot more. And I'm learning, that's kind of the practice I'm going through right now, or exercise, just kind of increasing my faith. But people, there's a subconscious that you have. So we can say, won't he do it? And we can truly mean it, as far as, or leaning on whatever particular faith we have. But if it's in your subconscious too, that stress can still manifest in certain ways. So I'm not any sort of like a chef or anything. I literally have cut up a mini cucumber and some lemon, and I'm just going to add that to my trusty canteen. And I think the size is, I want to say, guys, I don't know. I'll tell you guys later. I don't know what size this is. But I'm trying to drink at least 4 of these. I'm trying to fill this up at least 4 times in a day. And I kind of have long hours. So I think a good formula for water, people ask me about that all the time, is whatever you weigh in pounds, divide that by 2, and that's what you want to drink in ounces. Okay, so this is literally going to be my lemon cucumber water, and the benefit of adding lemon into this is that you get the vitamin C, antioxidants. Again, it's a good fruit to help you stay hydrated, and it kind of gives the water a little bit more flavor. So hopefully my belly area over time, we'll start to see that. One, I'm just trying to at least make sure it doesn't get any other crazy. So that's why we want to keep our nutrition, okay? Your nutrition really saves you. Okay, this is it, guys. Day 2. Mindshifters, good morning. It's a late morning. I had to take the boy to school. We overslept. So anyways, I'm going to make another sort of detox drink, and this is going to be with us throughout the day. We have class tonight. We started the New Testament. So hello, everyone. I am slicing one of the mini cucumbers. And I got the mini cucumbers pack because it was actually on sale. It was a really good sale. So I had some mint I'm gonna add. Mint is really good for a lot of things like digestion, bloating. Like I told you guys, like even though I'm sticking to the diet, I'm drinking more water. It's almost like all of my stress is sort of congregating in that area. It helps with your breath. It helps with digestion. So I am doing a half a lemon, and again, the lemon has that vitamin C. And even when you put the lemon in, you can squeeze the lemon. But I think because you have it sort of infused in the water throughout the day, and I did 4 of these yesterday. So I'm trying to just stick with that. I'm going to just, let's see, the cucumber a little more. Yep, put in the cucumbers and the lemon and the mint. See, the lemon, the mint, all that juice in there. I'm gonna fill this up, and I may add a little bit of ginger in there. Okay, ginger again is really good at like if anyone notice like when you get a tummy ache, a lot of people reach for ginger ale. That's why ginger is really good at again settling the stomach. So here we go, guys. This is our drink for day 3. We have cucumbers, half a lemon, and some mint leaves. There you go. Hello, guys. I am rushing because I have a meeting today. So I'm literally going to make, I'm going to put more lemon today. And I think I'm going to put half a cucumber or mini cucumber in there. How's everyone doing? I think doing this the night before, if you could do, it depends on how many of these you have, I think will be good. But I just feel like, I told you guys, I didn't put the whole thing. I just feel like it's helping. And it's refreshing. It kind of gives the water a little bit of a different taste. So, I'm putting a little bit more mint. So make sure you rinse or if you have your own mint and your own sort of herbs, just rinse it off really well. Put that in there. And I think I'm going to put some ginger, like I did before. Yeah. And do I want to put anything else? I think that's good. All right, guys, I'm filling this up. And I'll put this in the refrigerator when I get to work. So I have a meeting early this morning. Mindshifters, we can do it. I'm on day 4. I think I'm going to try to do this for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And I may continue this further, but there you go. Here we go. Here we go. That was quick. All right. See you later, Mindshifters. Have a good day. And you can do this. Do not give up, okay? Even when life is stressful. You know, remember that cycle I talked about? It's just the way it is. We can still, our nutrition may be the thing that's keeping us balanced. Hopefully our spirituality, but our nutrition. Love you guys. Bye. Happy Friday, everyone. Okay, so I have to pick up my son. We got to figure out our schedule because he's doing a half-day schedule. This is the last day. I'm actually going to throw in the mint first. Hello, I hope everyone's doing good. I'm loving this detox water. I actually drank, I think, 6 of these yesterday. So it's like really kind of, sometimes you need a little motivation. I'm putting the mint in first. I'm actually adding some strawberries to this. Okay? Strawberries actually have way more vitamin C than like an orange, but the combination with the vitamin C, it also has a lot of antioxidants, and most importantly, it just gives it a nice little flavor. So I'm putting lemon here. Like I said, you can always squeeze some of this. It's going to infuse throughout the day. If you can put it up, if you can do these sort of drinks like overnight, I think that'll be the best. I am going to fill it up, and I'm not putting any cucumbers today. I think I'm gonna have one more left to save that for tomorrow. Happy Friday, everyone. Just have a good day. Anything you need to do to encourage yourself. Maybe I will. Should I put some cucumbers in here? I think this is enough. Whatever you can do to encourage yourself, Mindshifters, let's do it. This is day 5. I'm probably going to do this for the next week or two. It's just kind of the encouragement I need for this kind of part of my life. I want to stick to my nutrition. I'm fighting for it. And I feel the difference in my abdomen area. And so I'm going to tackle that more with like exercise and just kind of really kind of refining my nutrition, but we can do it. And I hope everyone's going to go into a wonderful weekend. Okay, talk to you later.